Hey everyone, it's Will in the greenhouse, and it's July, which means that we've got some great weather. It's a great time to be spending some time outdoors, but we also start to see a lot of garden pests and problems start to flare up around this time. So one of the control options that people naturally gravitate to is ladybugs, because they are nature's natural control for you guys as a in comparison to using, say, a chemical to control your bugs. So as you can see with these feisty guys, they've been out of the fridge for just a few minutes now as we've been shooting this video, and they are already ready to go. We've got these guys in, they're fresh, and they're available in the fridge up at the front. So I wanted to give you a few tips on how to release them when you actually get them out of the fridge here and into your gardens at home. So you can keep these guys in the fridge for up to a week at this point now. We like to have them nice and fresh when they're going out into the garden. When you do have them and you're going to be putting them in, what you want to do is find a problem area in your garden. So if you've got a spot where you see lots of aphids or mites or things like that that are in there, what you want to do is you want to take a mister or a watering can and water them, like you can see on this this one here. So the water is because these guys here have been in this bag for quite a while and they're going to need a drink. So you want to make sure that they have nice water droplets there for them to drink as soon as you release them. The next thing you want to do is you want to know that ladybugs like to crawl up. So if you have a problem right at the top of your plant, what you want to do is open out the bag and release the ladybugs down below so they can climb up, and that way they'll find their prey as they go in there. And there is hundreds of ladybugs in these bags, so you do not need to release all of them right in one spot. You can go around and release a few in each area, maybe 20 to 30 in an area around a hot spot, and you can release them throughout your garden so that they can do a nice job of controlling pests throughout your garden area. If you have a few that you don't need to release at that time because you really only have 1 or 2 hot spots, you can keep those ones in the bag and put them back in the fridge. Just make sure that you release them soon so that they can do their thing in their garden and not spend their time in the fridge and maybe die if they are there too long. So again, the ladybugs, great natural pest control. These guys here are the native bugs to North America and not one of the imported bugs that we find to be a pest. So these ones are going to be a great option for you to control those pests that you might have in your garden, and you can find them now at Heeman's.